Mealybug destroyer. It's mealybug destroyer. I won't kill that because it will be killing the mealybugs. I feel this already with onion, but still the onion always get to sinabi ka ng malata. Lata yun siya. Soak di ay. This I've just newly planted. I have planted something here, onions here, but it was soaked because the rain has been here for every day, and then the heat is also intermittent. It's unpredictable when the heat will come, when the sun will come out. Kaya sige na ako buo. Facebook. Ha? Malunggay. Malunggay or horseradish. It's been having stems on its nodes since consecutive days of raining. It's been when it had its first set of leaves, you keep on harvesting it because every day we will be having malunggay soup. So that's why we always have leafless kamunggay, and these have just came out, just stem out. Our tangad is very healthy because even though we kept on plucking many of its leaves, it never hindi siya nanluod. It never faltered or withered. It's our lime, and here also it's been eaten by the lime caterpillars as always. That's why I can't have lime. Lime can grow very kanang paspas siya mo tubo ba kay dengan kayong mga lime butterflies mo la agwi mo agi. So this is all what I got in the garden. It's still very bare. Hawan pa kaayo. Just trying to economize the space of how we will be putting up the plants so that it will be very good vegetation for them. There will be a free sana they will have experience free air. It will be circulating the whole space. Just transferred it here. If we can buy another like this, then we will be adding up on the walls for the plants that don't want to be exposed so much in the sun. There. We'll also hang here also plastic bottles. There on top, it's nice to be hung. And for the climbers, string beans, green peas, soon. And that is petchay. It's here. It has small rhizome growing on the it's kuan kanang I don't know how it is called. Kanang the tip gani of the bad leaves. Siya 1, 2, 3, then 4. Maybe the rat didn't want this one. It tastes different from the past petchay I put here. I placed the petchay here, then the rat just dragged it in Chinese petchay. Chinese petchay, the one that the light green petchay.